Okay, year 9. Let's have a look. Testing conjectures, part 1. First of all, circle the prime numbers. Well, the first prime, remember, prime numbers only have exactly two factors. 2 is the first prime. 1 isn't a prime because it only has one factor, which is 1. 3 is a prime. 11 is a prime. Remember that 2 is the only even prime. When I look at 21, I realise that 3 and 7 are both factors, so it has more than 2 factors. And 35 has 5 and 7 that are factors, so it has more than 2 factors as well, so they are not prime. Number 2, decide if each statement is true or false. Explain your answers. All the factors of 20 are less than 20. Well, in fact, that isn't true. The reason is that 20 is also a factor of itself. So if you looked at the factors of 20, they're 1 and 20, 2 and 10, 4 and 5. But of course, 20 is not less than 20. So 20 is a factor, but not less than 20. And that is the case with every number. All factors are a factor of themselves, so there's always going to be one that isn't less than it's equal to. Multiples of 4 are also multiples of 2. Correct. The reason is 4 is a multiple of 2. So all multiples of 4 must be as well. It wouldn't work the other way round, because if we looked at multiples of 2 and then said they must also be multiples of 4, that isn't always the case, because 4 isn't like a factor of 2. So if you thought the 2 times table, 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 4 isn't a factor of all of those. However, if you look at the 4 times table, 4, 8, 12, 16, 20, 2 is always a factor of that, so they're also multiples of 2. X equals 5 is the solution to the equation 12 minus x equals 7. Well, if we just substitute in 12 minus, I usually substitute in just by showing it. Is 12 take 5 equal to 7? Yes, correct. Okay. So false, true, true.